You ever get that moment when you're at the register and you're digging through your wallet for your business debit card and you just know the person behind you is getting impatient? We've all been there. It's a hassle. But what if you could leave your physical card at home and pay for everything with just your phone? Well, with Novo, you can. Today, we're going to walk through how to connect your Novo debit card to Apple Pay and Google Pay, making your business transactions faster, easier, and more secure. The first thing to know is that Novo makes this incredibly simple. In fact, a lot of the process is handled right inside the Novo app. For Apple Pay, the steps are straightforward. You'll open your Novo mobile app and go to the Cards section. From there, you'll find your Novo virtual card. You'll see an option to add to Apple Wallet. One tap, and you'll be guided through the prompts to securely add your card to Apple Pay. Your card information is never shared with the merchant, and you'll use Face ID or Touch ID to authorize payments, adding an extra layer of security to every purchase. For Google Pay, the process is just as simple. You'll follow a similar path within the Novo app. Head to the Cards section, find your Novo virtual card, and you'll see a button to add it to Google Pay. This will automatically open Google Wallet on your phone and walk you through the final steps. Just like with Apple Pay, your card number is tokenized, so you're not exposing your sensitive financial information when you tap to pay. And the best part? Once your card is added, you can use it anywhere Apple Pay or Google Pay is accepted, in stores, in apps, and online. This is especially useful for those on-the-go business expenses, like grabbing a coffee while meeting a client or paying for supplies at a new store. It saves you time, streamlines your expenses, and gives you the peace of mind that comes with knowing your transactions are protected by industry-leading security. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.